I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what is this old man doing with the brand new Antigravity A1 drone? What's he thinking? And I agree with you. This is going to be a steep learning curve. I've already done a little bit of practice with it. It's a steep learning curve. This video, I'm going to tell you all of my problems with it, but I'm going to do a lot more than that. We're going to go down to Moab. I know, you're saying, you don't have to do that for us, your viewers, but that's the kind of guy I am. I go out of my way to get to places to show you just, how cool this drone might be. So you're going to see some video from this drone. You're going to see maybe some photos from this drone. You're going to see some video and photos from my DJI drone, and maybe even a standard handheld camera. We'll see. But anyway, it's all about you and taking care of you and helping you learn new things. So let's get started with this drone. Before we go to the Moab trip, let me just show you a little bit of me trying to get used to this new and different drone with its different control and all of those kinds of things. So here's a few clips, short clips on that, and then at the end I'll tell you the lessons learned so far. 2 days ago, I saw announcements in the on Facebook and all those, and YouTube and all that, and an advertisement in my email that the Insta 360 Antigravity A1 had been released, and a couple or 3 months ago, when I saw previews and stuff on it, I had told my friend Chad that I do a lot of droning with, that when this came out, I would be really interested in it. And I watched the videos and I couldn't stand it. So I ran out and I got the A1. This is called the Infinity Kit. And I'm not gonna make you suffer through an unboxing. Unboxings are boring. Here we go. Simple. Boy, this is small. This is small. So it is. I should have got out my Mini 3 and compared it in size. Okay, I'm back, and I have my Mini 3. So let's open this one. Now they're both supposed to weigh 249 grams with the regular standard battery, but I bought the Infinity Kit, which has the heavier battery. Boy, they are really close in size. Really close. I'm setting up to get my first video of flying my new Antigravity A1 that I just got and just opened up, and this is the first time out, so it's going to be a little weird. Out comes the drone. Flip this thing down here, even though I'm on a landing pad. I want that down to protect those lenses. We have the drone. We turn it on. See, I told you this is the first flight. Come on. Ah, all right. Now we turn on the controller. Hear that little sound? That's the little bit different than the others. I do have a watcher here. Let's see, we got to flip these up. And, oh, that's right. So, you like this? It's looking pretty good, huh? Looking my very best. Looking like I know what I'm doing, right? The goggles turn on goes here. You turn it on. Oh. I'm looking all over on the goggles for to turn it on, and it's not on the goggles. According to this, it's ready to fly. Please ensure the surrounding area is clear. Push the slider up twice and release to start the motors. Motor started. Push and hold. It's hard to read sometimes. Push and hold the slider up to take off. Oh, okay. Okay. So we are up and going. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I got to do this. I've got to get up the menu and screen recording. Oh. All right. Screen is recording now. And then I turn the menu off by doing this. Now, I think this button here is the start recording button. You got to learn to... Is it recording? I think it is. No. I got to cheat. Oh, this one. All right, now the camera's recording. Okay. Now I am, tell me, Chad, am I facing pretty much north? Pretty much north, okay. I'm not going to put you through the next 15 minutes of me playing around, figuring out my direction, and getting used to the controls. Let's go get a quick look at the sunset I recorded a little later, and then on to some clips from our Moab trip. This vlog is about my experience with the Antigravity A1 drone, and I'm going to share a few clips that I recorded in the Moab area. I'll post a different video in the next few days about the Moab trip that will be more about the trip, not just the Antigravity A1 drone. Okay, screen recording has begun. Turn that off. I have to work quite a bit to adjust these glasses to where I can see the data. Looking at I got 96% in this, 89% in this, 89% in, 91. It's hard to read. 91% on the drone, it looks like. Okay, I'm going to pull these up where I can see a little better. I don't want to step off on something. That's one of the dangers of this. And we will... There we go. Learn how to operate this thing and then send it up. Home point updated. Says the home point is updated. Turn. All right. Into this beautiful, beautiful area. And it is gorgeous. And I love that little airplane in here that kind of tells you which way it's going. That is a cool feature. In the upper left, you can see what the goggles see as the drone flies. The big plus to the Antigravity A1 drone is that when I put the video into the editing software, I have 360 degrees to choose from. Notice what the goggles are seeing versus what came out in the final edit. Remember, this little drone can only hover or fly forward. Unlike all the others, there is no reverse or sideways flying. Along the same trail, a couple miles from the previous spot, was another beautiful opportunity for some fun with the Antigravity A1 drone. Let's wrap up this video of the Antigravity A1 drone with a little more of the Colorado River on the other side of Moab. I put some of my early observations about this new drone in the information below. For more of the Moab trip, including Marlboro Point, Hurrah Pass Trail, Fisher Towers, and even more, watch for my next video coming out in just a few days. And finally, we're planning another trip very soon to some very exciting locations, in which I hope to include a lot more about the Antigravity A1 drone in a much more organized, cohesive, and informative manner. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on keeping on.